What is going on, YouTube family? Welcome back to my channel. Guys, we're about 9 days away from Blowvember 2023. Now, what's Blowvember? I'm not sure if you have heard about it, but if you're inside of my community, guys, on other platforms, certainly those that are inside of my online education subscription, we do a 30-day campaign every year, the entire month of November. We call it Blowvember, a little play on words. We focus inside of the salon. Much of my community here on YouTube are beauty professionals, hairstylists, salon owners, salon suite owners. The silk press or blowout is a super popular service. So for 30 days, you offer that blowout or that silk press, depending on what you call it, in your neck of the woods to every single client that comes through the door. For about 22 days in the month of November, with about 8 days off, to about $100 average per client. That makes up about $600 a day, $3 grand a week, 12 grand, anywhere from 10 to 12 grand a month. So the playbook is 10K in 30 days. So we're about 9 days away. I'm excited, guys. On top of the coaching and the reposting and the connection that we're gonna have with my tribe community all over the internet, in particular inside of my subscription, I'm gonna be talking about it here in YouTube. Of course, guys, I'm not behind a chair any longer. I am in education full-time, content creator, vlogger, and I thought about something. I was sitting around, I was like, well, what can I do with the hairstylists around the country that are doing Blowvember? So I started playing around with words and I was like, Vlogvember. And then I paused and I was like, I know somebody started that. That's too clean. That's too easy. I punched it in, click, 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 click. I put it in YouTube and I realized people have been doing this like they've been doing Vlogmas. And I wanted to do Vlogmas in December, but I didn't want to wait. And November, I'm not really traveling, so this is a perfect time. So I'm gonna do Vlogvember. So in a way to be like the rabbit or to run next to all of my community out there, I'm gonna be uploading a daily vlog, documenting each day in November, my daily routine, be it me creating content, coaching calls, education, subscriber content, fitness, nutrition, family, you name it. I'm just gonna be documenting my day. Here's a way for me to be running with you guys. So I'm excited. So on November 1, I'm gonna upload my first one. I'm not sure if I gotta upload it or film it on Halloween and then upload it. I don't know, I've never done it. I've never done Vlogvember or Vlogmas. I see people do it each and every year that I've been on YouTube, but I have never done it. So I'm excited to see how it will work, because I've never created a vlog each and every day.
To this day. To this day.
So the way, like my fitness challenges that I do periodically throughout the year, this is gonna push the heck out of me as far as content. So if you are looking to really enhance your Blowvember campaign or you wanna know more about it, I'm gonna be talking about it, of course, inside of my Vlogvember. So that's kind of cool, just saying that like that. So I'm gonna be talking about it inside of my Vlogvember, but to see all of the promotion, the tutorials, the step-by-step, the playbook, and the blueprint that I have, guys, click the link for my online education subscription for pro hairstylists. Look at the details and see if it's something that can benefit your brand and business. Sign up, guys, it's 17 bucks a month. It's loaded with ways to enhance your salon business and take things from good to great and from great to phenomenal. Of course, guys, follow me on other platforms as well for my daily stories that I'll have in IG, but I'm gonna be here on YouTube every single day in November or Vlogvember, going aside or running beside all of my hairstylists out there that are ready to kick butt for Blowvember for the next 30 days. So we're about 9 days out, countdown. So I wanted to check in here, guys, to let you know what's going on. And you have access to me, of course, if you're inside of the tribe membership. Guys, let's get to it. We got 9 days left to kick off.